taking, just be. Don't take it. Taking, just don't be. And live my life.
So yeah, we on our way inside of Mr. Chin's. Let's see what we can purchase. See what we can find in here. Bok choy. I got eggs in here. Okay, y'all. She said it's in the back. So let's look for it in the back. That's where she said it was at. Hey you guys, welcome back to another portion of the video. So you guys, I am about to, I'm only keeping this packaging because, oh, I still have some, they good and dry. Chinese eye patches is good and dry, need to be thrown out. I need to go back on, I really like these. They're Panda Hydro Gel eye patches. I really like these, and they're gold. So I really enjoyed these. They were fun while it lasts. I don't think there's nothing in here either. Nope. I'm gonna throw this out, you guys. I'm gonna throw all of this out and start fresh with new. I know this Versailles is y'all remember Versailles? I'm gonna throw that out. Don't want to mess up my skin. This boost is still some good. Oh shoot. This boost is still some good. I just got this not too long ago, so I know this boost. This boost, which I get to go back on Sephora and purchase it again. And I need to throw this out too. This serum packaging. I need to throw all these out, which I will be throwing these out today. I'm gonna take these out to the trash as of ASAP today. I'm gonna keep this. This is my Pro Strength by Urban Skin RX. It's just a cooling a cooling roller ball. I'm gonna keep it. So you guys, the point of me being in the bathroom is I'm about to get rid of, you guys remember when I put this this refrigerator in back when I first purchased my house. This went in back in June of 2021. You guys, I'm about to replace this one because I don't think it's no longer working. At least it's not working on the cooling side. Like, it doesn't get cold anymore. And that's probably why these products are done for. My husband ended up getting me, which I've had this for, I had this for a minute. He's bought this one for me for a minute. It is the 𝐒𝐻𝐢𝐴𝐻 American Drinks with 𝐒𝐻𝐢𝐴𝐻 6 can, and it says cools and keep warm. It says portable mirror 4L beauty fridge. That's where I ended up putting it. Guys, back folding the clothes. Today is Wednesday, and today housekeeping came and cleaned the house. The house is clean. Disclaimer, I know when y'all saw me in the laundry room, you saw clothes on the washing machine. So those clothes are partially mine and partially my husband's. Those are the clothes he was washing, and he left his clothes in the washing machine. And my lady that helped me keep my house spotless or keep my house in order, she does other little projects that we don't ask her to do. She just do them. Like, I didn't know that she was washing my clothes. As y'all saw, she put some colored clothes and white clothes together. I do not wash my colored clothes and my white clothes together. So it is now, what time is it? Let me see what time it is. It is 5:32 and I think I'm about to warm up me some, what do you call it? Leftovers. Know why? Well, I call them re-eats. I'm finna warm up some leftovers. For those that don't know what re-eats are, I'm about to re-eat some leftovers. I'm gonna just go ahead and put this in the microwave so I don't spill it on the floor. Let me show y'all over here. Let's come over here. Let me show y'all. I had made some homemade apple butter, and I want to taste it. Let's taste this one. So yesterday, or the day before yesterday, I chopped up some what were they called? Red Delicious apples. I chopped up 6 Red Delicious apples. I didn't have like different types of apples, so I just used the same apple. Usually people use a mixture of different types of apples to make their apple butter, and I used it with all the different spices and what have you not, or what have you. Ugh. Oh, I hate to open this up. Ugh. Okay. It looks like this. So, homemade apple butter. And it's brown like the homemade apple butter. Y'all, let me taste it. I'll show y'all what it looks like. Oh, God. See how thick it is? Oh, my God. I made homemade apple butter. Oh, my God. Ooh. Ooh. And this is the pieces of duck. This is the pieces of duck, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna heat this up just a little bit more. You guys, I've been making which I'm not gonna make one now, but I've been making pomegranate and apple juice, or I've been making blackberry pomegranate juice, or not pomegranate, blackberry apple juice. I'm talking about losing weight. Child, it's so good. But I'm gonna have a big glass of water because I'm just hot. I mean, I don't even know why, I'm just hot. Like, what did she do with the... But anyway, I'm gonna try to catch me a movie or something, or watch something on here. I'm trying not to be doing the YouTube every day, because when I say I get bored with different vlogs or whatever, like, I've really started changing up my like the people I watch now. Like, I've noticed that my sense of interest has changed. I like peace. I like to be centered around peace and things that bring peace. And I've like found, like, you guys, I've been making breads, and oh my gosh, I've been making breads, and I've been going back, like, doing gardening. Like, all that has truly been a fun adventure for me.